everyone, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to submit expenses in Odoo. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to navigate to our expenses application. Now we're going to click on the new button on My Expenses, and this is going to pop out a window as you can see here. And in this window we can add the description, category, total, employee, paid by whom, the bill reference, expense date, the account that it will be taken out of, and the analytic and the company. You can also add a couple notes, and you can add the receipt. So first we're going to add the title, which is Lunch with Customer. Next we're going to select the category, and in this case we have a couple categories set, and we're going to click on the foods category. We're going to add the total. In this case we won't be adding any billing reference or anything of the sort. The customer to reinvoice, if any, and in this case it will be reimbursed to the employee, so we will not be adding that. As mentioned before, you can also add any notes on what this lunch was about or when this was, or anything that can help your manager know any additional information so that they can give you the refund. Once you've added all of this, you can attach the receipt or you can just create the report. So we are going to hit attach receipt. We are going to add a receipt. In this case we added a random image, and now we are going to create the report. So the options that we have now are submit to manager or report in our next payslip. So in this case we're going to submit it to the manager, and now that this is submitted, it's for the manager to come in and take a look at this and approve the expense. So we're going to pretend to be a manager for a second, and we are going to approve this. Once this is approved, it can be posted on the journal entries or report in the next payslip. So in this case we're just going to post it to our journal entries. It's been posted. We're going to register the payment. And done. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow us and take a look at our other Odoo tutorials. Bye!